What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back now the video, and today we're looking at the AOHI MagCube 40-watt USB-C charger for your next iPhone or Android phone. So here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified of next videos to come up, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Basically, this is a 40-watt charger. If you have multiple devices, it has two USB-C slots as well. And today we're gonna look at the MagLine Plus as well. This is the USB-C to Lightning cable and a USB-C to a USB-C cable. Now, the USB-C, everyone knows that you can use it for all Android devices now, and also you can use it for multiple devices like your MacBook Pro, your MacBook Air, or even a Nintendo Switch. Now, let's open it up and see what it could do. Here we go. Look at this plug right here. Pretty small. So this has an indicator light right here. Two USB-C slots on the bottom. The back has a flippable plug right there. Tuck it away if you're traveling. The sides also has this little curved in so that you can hold it properly when you're pulling the plug out. There's a logo of AOHI on the front. And it has some literature as well. And that's it for the box. Personally, I like the black version of this. Pretty slick. Boom. Again, USB-C on the bottom. Flippable plug right there for traveling. Same-ish design on the side, like so. You can also use it so that you can be plugged in like this so that your cables are coming from the top. It really doesn't matter. USB-C to Lightning cable right there. USB-C to USB-C cable. So for those of you who love braided cables, AOHI actually was able to do it better, because the braided cable sometimes it's prickly on the side. This has the suede texture, and I really like it. It's still braided, of course. You can mold it to whatever you want, and it won't wreck the cable. It has a pretty stable, pretty rugged head here as well. You know, if you're twisting it side to side, as you could see there, it's very malleable. The USB-C is also very nice here. The tip is very durable. I believe that's metal as well. Very shiny. Lightning side is the same thing. Pretty good. Of course, this is MFI, made for iPhone. The USB-C is the exact same thing as well, right here. When it comes in the box, it comes with this little plastic covering as well. You can keep it there if you want, or on my other one, I took it off. It does make it look shinier, as you can see there. With the plastic, it does protect the metal part here from scratching. So it's really up to you if you want to keep it or not. Again, the braided cable is really nice. It also comes with this strap so that you can keep your cables clean all the time. There you go. And this cable, one of a kind as well. I've never had a cable like this. Very soft touch on it, and it's very malleable, very rugged. Pretty good. So let's plug this in, and as you could see, it's very slick and simple. It doesn't intrude the plug up there, so you can still plug in other stuff there. Let's try plugging both of them though at the same plug. Even both of them stacked like this, you'll be able to plug in pretty much 4 devices, 2 USB-C on the top and 2 USB-C on the bottom. Really awesome style, and very slick, very simple, and you're able to plug in multiple devices all at once. Now, for those of you who are wondering if this is strong enough to charge multiple devices like MacBook and iPad Pro, iPad Air, or whatever, it is. With the 40 watts and the MacBook being an ARM device, you only need pretty much 30 watts to charge it. So you'll be able to use this with your iPhone and MacBook all at the same time. Right now, I'm using it with an iPad and the MacBook, and it's still able to do it. So that's amazing. And that's it for the day, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new USB-C plug for your smartphones. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.